Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the various examples of NFA. जे ऑलरेडी आपण डिस्कस केलेले आहे DFA मध्ये as per the case of NFA, and that is the difference between NFA and DFA. So consider the over the alphabet as A. So discuss the first combination of language, that is L1, as per that starting with A. Yes, that language start with only is Q0 is the initial state, then A, then Q1 is the final state, is nothing but that ending with anything. So as compared to NFA, as compared to DFA, thus in DFA that having the trap state. DFA मध्ये काय असेल, एक ट्रॅप स्टेट असते किंवा त्याला आपण डेड स्टेट म्हणतो, ती NFA मध्ये नाही. स्टार्टिंग विथ 3 जर झालं तर ती काय इथे एम्प्टी असेल, दॅट इज नथिंग बट 5. सो दॅट ओनली स्टार्ट विथ ए, एवढंच लिहिण्याची गरज आहे, बी लिहिण्याची गरज नाहीये. सो ॲज पर द DFA मध्ये कसं असेल ते, so Q0 as the initial state, that starting with A, then having the final state as Q1 ending with anything, आणि इथे आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, टॅप स्टेट ऍडजस्ट करावं लागेल. सो दॅट नथिंग बट B, and then Q2 as a trap state itself as a AB, as nothing but DFA. हा काय DFA. Yes, so compare with NFA and DFA, DFA having the trap state, NFA trap state देण्याची काही गरज नाही. So we go with the next combination language, that is nothing but L2, that containing A. Containing A is nothing but that having substring as A, starting with anything, ending with anything. Yes, so Q0 is the initial state, then A, and Q1 is the final state, so ending with anything, starting with anything. So that is nothing but A is the substring of that particular language, starting with anything, ending with anything. Let's go with the next combination, that is a L3, as a language L3. So nothing but ending with A. As per Q0 is the initial state, then ends with A, then Q1 is the final state. As per the language, that ending with A, starting with anything, yes, starting with anything, so A, B, yes, that having only single string, that starting with A, ending with A, having the substring as a A. So we go with the next combination, that having the, for example, Q4 start with AB. Yes, so Q0 initial state as per the A, Q1 Q1B, and that is the final state Q2. So starting with A and B, ending with anything, is like that. Yes, okay. Then next combination L5 as substring AB, having the substring AB, so starting with anything, ending with anything in between, that having A and B as a substring. So Q0 combination that is nothing but that ends with AB. Yes. L6 ends with AB. Yes. So that particular language that consists of words that all words ends with AB. So start with anything. So Q0 as the initial state, then after A, then Q1, then after B, and then Q2 as the final state. So ends with AB. So starting with AB. Yes. So that is the various combination we discuss here. That is nothing but NFA that start with something, ends with something, that are having the substring. Okay. So thank you.